This is a tutorial on a 3-button light switch at Sherman High School. You will see scene 1, scene 2, and a light bulb. The light bulb will turn on and off the lights from full brightness to complete darkness. Scene 1 turns on the front 1/3 of the lights. Scene 2 turns on the back 2/3 of the lights. And by simply hitting that button again, you will turn them off. If you hit the light bulb to turn on to full brightness and would like to dim the entire room, simply hold down the arrow button and it will dim the room. Simply release once it reaches the dimness that you prefer. You can raise it back up to full brightness by holding down the up button or by turning the lights off and back on. And that is your tutorial for a 3-button light switch at Sherman High School.